Hello, hello. Today we are going to interview a family member who will explain to use who can and littering in nature in the family is called Oscar Ramos. Hello, Oscar. Can you explain to me who can avoid littering in nature?
Hi Diego. We don't usually throw garbage in nature. We put it away and wait until we get home.
There is any family member will littering in nature?
Yes, in general, when there are garbage dumps, people drown it there.
There is any during gardening in nature?
When I go out for walk, I take my own garbage bag.
Oscar, will you avoid littering in nature?
They should place garbage cans and create a campaign against littering in nature.
Thanks you very much, Oscar. You intervening and asking if a person in your family should their gardening in nature or not, and what you would have you during gardening or not, Oscar. Oscar.
Thanks Diego, bye.
That's all. Thanks you very much for your today. See you tomorrow.